to win without taking no loss.
What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy TYB aka Laneyy P. Welcome back to another video, another banger. And today we are finally going to be fixing some small major issues on Susie because it's long overdue. And if you guys haven't watched the last video, the stud and the lug nut actually came off of Susie in the wheels, and there was at least one or two on each wheel that were loose. So we got to get that fixed, we got to get that handled, and we have to get the alignment because there is some minor camber. And we're just gonna go ahead and straighten those out for maximum grip and so that the tires can wear evenly, because I noticed on the last set of tires I had, only the inside was bald and the outside looked perfect, and that's not what I'm going for. Also, as you can see, it has been raining, so that only means one thing: we gotta rip some donies. All right, we got water falling into the car, but neighbors, wakey wakey. Oh man, they're not gonna like that. Oh, there's so much water. Well, glad you're awake, buddy. Wow, Susie. We have zero traction. Just what we want right now. Shit. Driving with the windows down was probably not the best idea. But yeah, there's Evo or a Lancer here. I can't tell the difference. Honestly, I'm not Evo guy or a Lancer guy, so I can't tell the difference, but somebody's here. We gotta wait for him to leave or move, and we're gonna rip some donies. First, let's dry out the car. My boy said he's never been in a Supra and he wants to get a ride, so we're gonna go ahead and get his reaction. And this is what we call Mexico on our channel. Seatbelt, safety first. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Get it. This car, there's like, I have zero complaints.
That's right, G.
Zero complaints.
That's right.
So what you doing next to your car?
I'm gonna flip the engine, bro.
Yeah?
I rate that a fucking
good.
10.
I'm glad you liked it, bro.
That's right, bro.
I love it. Alright, y'all, got the camera set up, and just FYI, before I do this, I'm not a pro and I have zero idea what I'm doing. So here's a great chance to learn and try to figure it out for myself. And if you guys have any tips for me in the comment section, feel free to let me know, because one of my aspirations, I do want to learn how to drift one day, do donuts. I think doing donuts is a decent start, right? I don't know. Who knows? Maybe. I don't know. That's solid?
Fuck.
Did I put on a good enough show? I tried.
Fuck yeah.
Shit, I tried. Before we go and head over to the shop, we gotta check the lug nut so we can get there safely and not die on the freeway like we almost did the last time. So, I mean, from what I can tell, none of these have any play in them. For all the mechanics out there, I'm just checking to see if the studs are loose, which is my one of my biggest issues. Yeah. And all the lugs will be torqued to spec right now. Ooh, all right, y'all, we have made it to Firestone. I would have taken it to Les Schwab or somebody else, but Firestone was the only people that were open on Sunday. Today is Sunday, so makes sense. But they have a nice S2K out there that we're gonna go ahead and look at. A little S2K sitting outside. I don't know if this is the entrance or if the entrance is on this side. So my dumb ass scheduled the appointment for the wrong day, but I asked him if I'll be able to do a walk-in instead of waiting because I scheduled it for a day I have work and I obviously can't come get it done. But he said, yeah, it's just gonna be a little bit of a wait. Here's a better look at this S2K that's outside. It's got the hard top on there. Some gram lights, okay. Get that good warm start. He's not gonna know where to put her. And that shit looks fucking sick. She looks so good. So he's taking her for a little test drive to see if the car pulls to the left or the right or anything so they can better understand how they should align the car. It's always different seeing your car from the outside. Look, she looks so menacing. He's babying it. Respectful, respectful. Oh, this thing is pretty tight too. Putting her up on that thing, man. And she's up on that lift. Now this car looks like it might be from Japan. It's right-hand drive. ZR2. This little thing is sick. This is pretty hard. Who knew Firestone had fucking JDM shit over here? They're raising her up, getting her right. And also, while we have Susie getting the alignment done, Tokyo Auto Salon is going on right now, and they revealed the new facelift R35 GTR. I'm gonna show some pictures up right here, and y'all let me know, what are y'all thoughts on the new facelift R35? Me personally, I kind of love it and I kind of hate it. I would have to see it in person to really give like, do I like it or not? But it just looks a little bit awkward, but it looks cool at the same time. I just feel like maybe if it was painted better or had like a little more contrasting colors, it would add more depth to it, and I think it would look better. The Nismo, I think the rear bumper on the Nismo looks fucking sick, and I think the Nismo overall just looks sick, but the regular, the regular premium GTR looks a little funky to me, but I think it could look cool. It's cool, but they need to just discontinue the R35 and wait a few years and drop a R36, because we done seen the R35 countless of times. And also, I read some of your comments and I got some feedback in the last video. I said S15 or R33, and I'm still getting mixed emotions. Some of y'all want me to get a 33, some of y'all want me to get a S15, and I'm on the fence. Either way, it's a ways out, you know what I'm saying? I still gotta save money, put money aside, and obviously the S15 won't be legal to import until next January, so exactly 12 months from now is when the S15s will become legal to import into the United States. And R33s are legal now, so I can save money and pretty much get one whenever I'm financially available. I got a pretty sick build sheet for both cars, so I feel like either way, eventually we'll end up having both cars on the channel. The goal is just really to have what car would do better on YouTube, what car would do better in the channel and help us grow, because that's inevitably what I'm looking for. My boy's gonna pop the hood for us, see what he's working with under here. What all you have done to it?
Oh man, just basic stuff. Man. That's actually my third one, man. I crashed like two already.
It's your third one? Yeah. Oh shit. Dude, hopefully you gotta keep this one clean. Ooh, got the turbo boy on that, man. This is sick.
It's on a GT 3582R.
Okay.
But I I went hybrid because instead of using the 82 for the turbine housing,
Yeah.
it choked up, man, because it's a big turbo. So
Yeah.
I end up just using a AR63, so it spools up like maybe like up to 3,000, man.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, man.
That's pretty fucking crazy.
But it's tuned by Compton Rob. It's conservative.
Yeah.
It's like-
I mean, does it run like reliably? It runs good.
It's on AM Infinity.
Okay, cool.
No.
Are you running ethanol or just regular pump gas?
No, just 91 right
Just
now.
91. My boy, apparently we came into the mechanics here like JDM connoisseurs, and bro, there's no way it's a Stagia, bro, and I didn't even see it, and it has the R34 front end. Bro, there's no way. But who do you work with, bro?
Nobody's just gonna pop out with the Blitz wheel like that, bro.
And he's got the Blitz?
Yeah.
Bro, this shit is fire.
Yeah. That's
Oh,
why,
he's
man.
got his IG right there. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
there
tap
you
in
go,
with,
There you
bro.
go, man. There you go.
I'm gonna tap, bro.
Man, you want to talk about JDM, man? Both our mechanics, man, right here. Man. All right, y'all. Susie is all aligned, all straightened out. She's good, and I'm surprised. I ran into a random Firestone. I only came here because it was the only thing open on Sunday, and we ran into like some JDM fans here at Firestone, and I did not expect to see a Stagia, S2K, a little more common, and then some right-hand drive Honda CRV type of monster truck thing. Like, I've never seen that type of car. There's a lot of cars from Japan that I have no idea about. Let's see if Susie's feeling better. Like, so far driving her, she feels pretty good. The JDM guys from Firestone, well, at least the guy who did my alignment, they said he's a really good mechanic, but I asked him how he liked the car, and he said he didn't like it. He doesn't like care for it because I don't know, I guess he's old school, you know. It's okay, it's not for everybody. Most people don't like this car for whatever reason, but you know, I don't blame him. He's sticking to his roots. But so far, Susie feels really good, really straight, and a lot lighter on her feet. Before the alignment, like, she felt a little heavy up front. Oh shit, I gotta turn right here. This might be the end of the video, so if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. We on the road to 50K. Join the TYB family, and always remember to keep it player.
I got a stay, bro, got a blip, we catching hella balls. I love some melon in the dark, bitch, on a yellow ball. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tuck it, she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro?
My dogs gets me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.